Hello everyone. Welcome to my CorelDraw tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design an identity card for any organization. How you can design identity card for any organization. Okay, so just follow my tutorial. I'll show you step by step on how you can do it. There are different ways design you can do it. So just follow me. All right, so I'll be starting with uh, the, the size. I'm going to be doing a portrait one, but the most recommended size for an ID card is the width is 3.375, then the height is 2.125, just like a size of a credit card. That is how most identity card looks like. But I want to do it in a portrait form. So I'm going to mirror this. Okay, it's not really doing so. I'm going to rotate it. How do I rotate it? You click on it, you hold down your control key. Yeah, control key, and you click on it. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this now. Then what I want to do is I'm going to select my shape to give it round edges. In HTML we call it border radius. So this is exactly what we do. So I'm going to duplicate this, move it here. All right, so the first thing I want to do is to give it a color white. Let me just give it an outline of blue first. All right, so the next thing I want to do now is to do some little designs on it. Okay, so I have my rectangle tool to make use of this color. Copy and fill it inside here. It has an outline color, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, I'm going to remove it. The next thing I want to do now is to give it some shapes. So I'm going to have to zoom in to see exactly what I want to achieve. So I'm going to convert it to curves. Then I'll select my shape tool. I want to add a node to this place and this place. I want to add another node here and another node here. And I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete this one. Also, I want to convert this to curves. Okay, so I'm going to do this one too as well. Okay, it seems this one looks more okay than this one, so we're going to adjust this one. Okay. All right, so let's zoom out. I'm going to power clip it inside. I'll power clip it inside. I'm not feeling it. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do now is also to edit the power clip. So inside the power clip, I'm going to do some little designs as well there too. This one I'm going to duplicate it. I'll reduce this blue one. Then I want to first of all have another blue. Different classes of blue. Whoa. remove the outline. All right. So I need a blue that is a little bit deeper. This is cyan. It's not really blue. Okay. Let me stick with this one. So what exactly do I want to do? Let me move this one away. This is inside the power clip. It is not on the page now. Okay, so I'm going to drag this one a little bit at the edges here. Then one of the things that helps you in CorelDraw is to know how to curve objects. So I'm going to convert this to curves. Then I'll pick my shape tool. Then I'll select, okay. I'll just move it this way. All right, so that's that for that one. And for this one, I'll bring it here, but I need to bring it forward. Other front of layer. I'm going to copy it and still move it away from there. Now, this one is also going to cover the entire place, but I want to use another blue color, family of blue. So this one will be a little bit lighter than the one we have. Okay, so these three colors now I'm going to copy them so I don't have to be looking for them again if anytime I want to make use of them. And the last one is this one I'm putting here. So I'm going to reduce this. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this and let me bring it down. Take this one a little bit up and this one to up. This one still needs to go. And I can bring this one a little bit down. So let me select 3 of them. Just want to copy them. I'll paste them outside because I'll need the color later. So I'm going to reduce it. There are 3 different colors. They have a family of blue. All right. So that's for that. Then I think let's go back inside the power clip. Let's edit the power clip and this third one here we'll copy, move it down. This time around we're going to reduce it or enlarge it. Something I want us to achieve. So I'm going to change the position. Okay. So I'm still going to reduce it. Still going to reduce it. Okay. Okay. Yes. All right. So let me pick my shape tool. First of all, drag it down a bit. This one as well. Okay. This one too goes down. And let's duplicate. And I want to give it this color. This one. View here. Okay. So I want this one to come up. So I'll go to other and say bring front layer. All right. So then I need horizontal one. So let's just draw one this way, and I'll bring it down. Before that, let me just copy this one and bring it down. I need that color. I need that color on this new image. I said image, new object. So I will delete this one. Then I'm going to remove the outline of this one. So we're good to go. All right. So we've done some stuff there. Now let's try and add a place for an image. So you hold your what's it called? Your control key on your keyboard to draw a perfect circle. Draw a perfect circle. Okay, so I'm going to give this white. For now, let me just use the outline blue. Then I want to give it a drop shadow because it's on a white environment. So this shadow is just going to make it look dark here. Okay, so I'm going to push it up. All right, so I can remove the outline now. So here is where we want to put the image of the person. Okay, so the next thing is to add the name. Let's just say Amos A. Oluwatosin. This is my name. Then let's just maintain the font. Take it to 14. Then drop this. See, this one is director. Let's just change the font of this one to this. Let me look for something. Let's use area or make it smaller. Then let's use font size 10. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So let's what do we want to do? Let me get an image that we can make use of. Where is it? ID cards. Okay, I'm going to need this barcode. So let me take it out. E is a very big one. There is a place where I have passports. Okay. So let's pick this one. So minimize that. This we don't need. We need this one at the back. Okay. So I'll reduce this one. So we'll power clip this image inside here. Then can I go and edit it? We can bring it a little bit bigger. Alright, so I have a passport on the ID card now. Then let's maintain the color we have been using. And can give this one here. Okay. So we need to put you can decide to put a signature here. I don't have any digital signature that I can use it, but you can put it here and you can choose not to, depending on exactly what you want. But instead of that, let's just add something like an ID. Put an ID there. say 001. Yeah. Okay, so make this one to be 10, make it bold, still give it this color. We can now put the barcode underneath. Let's reduce this, still reduce it. Okay, use it here. All right, so let's add some information on the top. I am in the last tutorial I did on CorelDraw. Let me just go and fetch some information there. I'm going to select this. I'm going to select this and this. Nope. Let me just copy this, put it here. Phone number. Then make the address and this. Paste. Changing everything to white. Okay. Let's just change this one to info at be exclusive. And this is the address. So where's this logo? Okay. Let me just get this one. And decide to craft out your own. I don't want to do another one. You can move it here. So let's make this. Let's first of all take these two away first. Put this color here. Then we can now return the two of them back. Okay. Well, let's just group everything and reduce it. And then this one can be minimized a little. Okay. So these are just informations. You can also reduce this one to 6. The website, reduce it to 6 as well. I think the phone number should come first. Phone number, the email, the website, and the address. Maybe the address should even come first. Then the phone number and the rest we can follow. So let's push this one up because I think it has a longer information than the rest of them. And let's make sure that they are aligned. Okay. I don't like it. Let it be at the extreme right. What we can do is just to reduce this one. Matter of fact, let's even remove this Nigeria because I want it to be aligned. All right, so this is the front. This is the front of the ID card. Okay, so let's try and zoom out. Then the back, I'm not going to be doing much with the back. So what do we do? So just let's see. Okay, let's duplicate this. Okay, I mean just adjust this one. So we'll zoom in and I'm going to remove all these ones, then make them, and I don't need these ones as well. Okay, so even before we even do power click, let me see if I can mirror it. Okay, good. Now let me adjust this and this one. I need to bring it down here. Then let me bring this one to the front. Okay, I'm going to adjust this like this. Then this one is already in curves. I'm going to select the shape tool. So I want to change the positioning of the curve to this way. Then I'm going to increase this as well. Then I can bring this one a little bit down. Select the shape tool. Okay, so for this one, let's bring this one to the front now. Front of layer. Can just bring it a little bit down. I don't need all these ones. This one, I'm going to adjust it. It depends on whatever you want anyway. This one is just one of the ways. Then I'm going to copy this, paste it. Now bring it here. Now I want to put it here. I want to make it bigger. Okay. So let's just say most ID cards, their back are always black. But this one is just for a design purpose. Just a property of just take it down here and write this is to certify that whose name photo ID ID and signature. Here's this identity card is a staff of the exclusive technology. So let's reduce it, make it centralize it, make it 7. Let's change it to white. Won't be blue. Just say if found, please return to the nearest police office. Let's change this one to black and make it centralized. We can reduce the font. Still big. Let's change it to 10. Okay. Increase this one. Or we can break the sentence. Okay. All right. So this is exactly how this is one of the ways in which you can design a portrait identity card. Let me zoom it. Okay, so yeah, so this is one of the simple ways in which you can design an identity card for any organization, for yours. And if you are into graphics, this is one of the ways in which you can design a graphics. I mean, an identity card for any organization. So please like my video. Please make your comment on the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, put them in the comment box or you send me a mail. My email is always in the description for the in every video I upload. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.